Hi guys, welcome to the debut video of this channel, the Grand Cuisine. And before we jump into what we've cooked for you guys, I would love you to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on any of our new content. So without further ado, we are going to be learning the Khichdi Moong dish that is southern India, and it's quite a popular dish among all of them. And as you know, we will go over the ingredients and what exactly do we need. Half cup of rice, half cup of Moong dal, 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of curry seeds, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 sliced green chili, 1 teaspoon of ginger chopped, 15 curry leaves, 1 tomato finely chopped, a pinch of hing, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, 4 plus 1 cups of water, and finally 1 tablespoon of ground coriander leaves. Now let's go. Now of course you want to start by putting your rice and Moong dal in a clean bowl and washing and allowing it to soak for about 15 minutes. Then you proceed to put your ghee in your pressure cooker and you add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and of course your onions you add to the mixture. And at this point you want to add your green chili, which is already slit, and you also add a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, and at this point you want to add your curry leaves. Now right now you want to saute it till the onion turns translucent. Then you proceed to add your tomato finely chopped and you want to mix it till it becomes soft and mushy. Then you add a pinch, just about a pinch of hing and your quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and then you drain the water from the rice and Moong dal and you add it to this very mixture and give it a spin. You give it a mix you give it a mix, and you want to add your 4 cups of water. By this point, 4 cups of water and a spoon and a half of salt to taste, and this time you want to close the lid and put on the weight. Now you pressure cook for 5 whistles at medium heat, and then by the time you open the lid you can of course serve it like this, or you can adjust the consistency by adding a hot cup of water and then allowing it to simmer just until it's bubbling. Then you switch on the stove and add ground coriander leaf, just a tablespoon, and this is what it should look like. Perfect consistency. And then you can proceed to serve with ghee as topping or pickle at the side. Of course, we have come to the end of this video. We would love you to subscribe and also reach out to us on our email, which is in the bio. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you and God bless.